Hi friends, here in this video I'll be explaining the MCQ on design of belt conveyor system. So let's get started. Now here is the question given. It is mentioned, find the shaft speed if the belt speed is 1.56 meter per second. So if belt speed is given, that is denoted as V, that is the velocity or the linear velocity meter per second. The pulley diameter is 750 mm denoted by capital D. So 750 mm means it is 0.75 meter. So with this data we have to find the speed of the shaft. So I can say that since, and here the four options are given, out of them one is the correct value. Since the linear velocity or the peripheral velocity of the pulley is given by the formula pi dn by 60, which is same as the belt speed. So the belt velocity is 1.56 is equal to pi into diameter. Remember, it should be in terms of meter. So 0.75 multiplied by n divided by 60. So therefore on calculating this I am getting the value of RPM. The answer is 39.72 RPM, and it is corresponding to option B. So B is the correct answer and the problem gets completed. At the end, if you'll find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.